City winks a sleepless eye. Hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime. Get me out into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say wait, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. Midnight streets, they talk to me. Shadows move like memories. Dreaming still of what I lost. Kick, push, move, sustain. Still can't feel her touch, her warmth. If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime. Get me out into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say wait, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. Midnight streets, they talk to me. Shadows move like memories. Dreaming still of what I lost. Kick, push, move, sustain. Still can't feel her touch, her warmth. nature? Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Looking out across the night time, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear a voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the night time. Get me out into the night time. Hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say wait, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. Midnight streets, they talk to me. Shadows move like memories. Dreaming still of what I lost. Kick, push, move, sustain. Still can't feel her touch, her warmth. Say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that?